everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back to plan for the week of August the 12th through the 18th using this kit called Cafe Date from PaperCrownPlanner. And I started off by just quickly flipping through all 6 pages of the kit, which if you didn't already know, this is actually a printable sticker kit that I'm just using digitally. So mostly all of the sticker kits I use are actually sold as printable kits, but they work perfectly as digital stickers as well. And one of the great things about this shop in particular is that it's one of the few shops that I've purchased from that actually offers the downloads as PNG files straight from Etsy, which makes using them digitally even that much easier because you don't even have to take the time to remove the white background or anything like that. But yeah, I just went ahead and laid down the hourly inserts from my shop, and then I decided to do something a little bit different on my sidebar this week. I went ahead and just created a white rectangle in the Keynote app, and then I used it to completely white out the sidebar because I wanted to add this really pretty scalloped washi on the left-hand side of the spread. And then after I had that laid down, I pulled in another washi strip at the top to act as a background for this August text sticker that I just created in the Over app. And then I also grabbed a Monday through Sunday box to just go ahead and track my dinners for the week. Okay, so my next little section is going to be for my habit trackers. So I first pulled in another washi strip and a this week header, and then I placed down both habit trackers from the kit as well. And I decided to track updating my budget again this week because it really helped me stay consistent last week. And then I also used one for drinking water every day because I started my coaching job at the college again this week, and I knew that staying hydrated was going to be really important. So I wanted to make sure to remind myself of that as well. And then in the remaining space at the very bottom, I just went ahead and laid down a heart checklist so that I could jot down any tasks that come up throughout the week. And then after finishing off the sidebar, I'm just going to pull in all of the date covers and date dots and then move on to planning day by day. Alright, so I wasn't feeling very well Monday morning, so I decided to start it off with a green juice. So to mark that, I used a brown quarter box from the kit, as well as this icon that I think is supposed to be a water bottle, but I felt like it could totally pass as a green juice, so I went with that. And I believe that's from a Sabine Elise Designs kit. And then under that, I wanted to remind myself to water my plants, so I grabbed a blue bow flag and this plant sticker that was deco in the kit. Next, I had a couple loads of laundry to do, so I placed down a washi strip at 11 o'clock and layered over it this cute laundry text sticker. And like I mentioned, softball practice at the college started up again this week, so I definitely needed to remind myself to take my parking pass with me so that I didn't get a ticket. And to show that, I just used a pink bow label and a blue checkbox that I created for myself in Keynote to match the kit. Then from 2 to 4:30 we had practice, so to mark that this week I'm using these washi half boxes from the kit, and for Monday I pulled in the darker green one and just quickly filled that out. Right after I got home on Monday, I wanted to take some time to fill out my budget, so I used a green little thing sticker, and then I just flipped it around so the icon would be on the right, and then layered over it this little notebook sticker that came in the kit. And then at the bottom of the day, I just pulled in this pink bow quarter box because I spent some time planning out a video. I've been getting a few requests lately to film like a how I organize my stickers video, so I'm hoping to get that up soon. I'm just kind of trying to figure out how to make it as clear and informative as possible. So yeah, that's what I'm using that for. And now moving on to Tuesday, I had work from 7:30 to 11:30. So to show that, I just used the work labels from the kit and filled in my hours. And then I also drew an arrow down to 11:30 just to like visually block off the time I'll be working. Then when I got home, I cleaned up our master bedroom. So I used a blue label and this cleaning sticker from PlanningChoco to mark that. And again, we had softball practice from 2 to 4:30 this day, so I marked that the same way I did on Monday, except this time with a pink washi half box. And I also just went ahead and copied and pasted over the exact same writing from the day before as well. And then after practice on Tuesday, I needed to stop by the grocery store just to do like our big grocery shop for the week. And so to mark that, I pulled in a washi strip and layered a Get Groceries sticker from the kit right over top. Then to finish off the night, the only other thing I needed to do was order dog and cat food. So I placed down a brown label and a checkbox sticker for that. So for Wednesday, I just started off by marking work with that same label from the kit. And then right after work, I met up with my boyfriend and we went to go get some lunch. So to show that, I used a scallop label and this fork and knife icon from the kit. Then after filling in softball practice, I moved down to about 5 o'clock and laid down a patterned label and this YouTube Lil Bandit from PrintPetticoatBandit because I needed to film when I got home. And then under that, I just placed down a pink bow flag to remind myself to take care of Simon's litter box. Okay, so moving on to the second half of the week, I'm starting off Thursday by marking my work, and then later at around noon, I placed down a blue bow label and a pink checkbox because I needed to clean up the kitchen. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pull in a green washi half box to mark practice again this day as well. I went ahead and pulled in a pink bow divider sticker just to break up Thursday night a little bit. And then right under that, I placed down a patterned half box and a computer icon, both from the kit, because I was planning on spending at least a couple of hours working on my video this night. So Friday is usually the day that I'll take the extra time in the morning to pick up coffee. So I wanted to go ahead and mark that I grabbed Starbucks this morning. And for that, I used a patterned quarter box and this really cute coffee icon that was deco in the kit. But I also still needed to mark work as well. So I went ahead and just placed the work label down right under the quarter box. And then I just drew a smaller little arrow down to 11:30. And then thankfully during the fall semester, our softball practices are only Monday through Thursday. So Friday is my day to relax. And I took full advantage of that this week because I was honestly just so tired. So after work, I came straight home and binge watched the new season of The 100, which if you haven't already seen that show, it's a really, really good one. But to mark that, I just laid down a washi strip and a Netflix binge sticker from PrintPetticoatBandit. At 2:30, I had to take a short break from my Netflix binge to help at my cousin Joey's house, so I put down a pink quarter box and a house icon to mark that. And then because we didn't have practice this day, I thought it'd be a good idea to just do a quick little workout in the afternoon. So for that, I just used a running shoe icon from PlannerPixieCo. Then Friday was actually my cousin Grace's birthday, so that night at 6:30 we were heading over to her house to have dinner and cake. So to mark that, I used a blue bow quarter box and this present icon from the kit, and then I also decided to pull in this birthday text sticker from PrintPetticoatBandit. Now for the weekend, I decided to go ahead and pull in the weekend banner and place it down at the very top, just because I feel like I haven't done that in forever and I wanted to kind of change it up a little bit in this spread. So once I placed that down, I moved on to Saturday morning, and this was my day to catch up on sleep. So even though I really do enjoy waking up early every day, I wanted to kind of force myself to sleep in a little bit. So for that, I put down a washi strip and this sleeping Lil Bandit. And then at 10:30, I had an appointment to get my nails done, so I pulled in a blue quarter box and this nail polish icon before quickly filling that in. Later at around 1 o'clock, I wanted to do a kettlebell workout, so I used a workout box from PlannerPixieCo and a blue kettlebell icon from HT Planning. And then right after I was finished with that, I needed to do some more laundry, so I pulled in a green bow label and this laundry text sticker from HT Planning as well. And as for Saturday night, I just spent it hanging out with my brother and my cousin, so I placed down a patterned half box, a bow icon, and this family time text sticker for that. Alright, so finally moving on to Sunday, I wanted to start the morning off by taking the dogs for a walk, so I put down a pink quarter box and a running shoe icon, and then after that we needed to deep clean the house, so I decided to make a little cleaning checklist by layering together a strip of washi, a to clean header, and a green 3-heart checklist before filling that out. Right under my checklist, I just placed down a blue bow divider sticker to break up the space a little bit, and then I used a patterned label and a pink checkbox to remind myself to charge my Apple Watch. And then the very last thing I needed to do on Sunday was just plan out next week. So to show that, I used a brown half box and a notebook sticker that was deco in the kit. So after I finished filling that out, that's going to be pretty much it for this week's spread. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!